Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode, your go-to place for Flutter development. In today's episode of Flutter Widget of the Day, we are taking a closer look at a very handy widget, the icon button. Let's see how you can add clickable icons to your app with just a few lines of code. The icon button widget in Flutter is used when you want to make an icon clickable. It's commonly used in app bars, cards, and toolbars. Basically, anywhere you need an interactive icon. Let's look at this simple example. It takes an icon and an onPress callback. When the icon is tapped, the function inside onPress is triggered. You can easily change the color using color property. This property, icon size, controls the size of the icon. This property, tooltip, displays a message when the button is long pressed or hovered. You can use style property to apply advanced customization using button style. You can change icon color, background color, shadow color, padding, elevation, and more. You can disable the button by setting onPress to null. So that's the icon button in Flutter. Simple to use and now with even more style thanks to style property. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to DevCode and ring the bell so you don't miss the next widget drop. Tell me in the comment what's your favorite place to use an icon button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.